guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. On this video, we'll be talking about Mamcunu's exit on My Brother's Keeper. Her tragic past has not only sent shockwaves through the Shabalala family, but also has left My Brother's Keeper fans mourning the loss of an iconic character. Mamcunu's time on My Brother's Keeper has officially come to an end, and fans are deep in their feelings over her emotional exit, played by the incredible talented Hlengiwe Lushaba Madlala. Mamcunu was the backbone of the Shabalala family, fighting tooth and nail to keep her household together until things fell apart. Viewers watched as Mamcunu struggled through devastating betrayals from her husband Mshengu Shabalala to her own son Nkubeko, who was exposed as Tutuga's killer. It was only a matter of time before the weight is. Viewers watched as Mamcunu struggled through devastating betrayals from her husband Mshengu Shabalala to her own son Nkubeko, who was exposed as Tutuga's killer. Taking to Instagram, Hlengiwe Lushaba Madlala shared a heartfelt tribute to her character, expressing gratitude for the experience. Mamcunu's impact was undeniable, and so was Hlengiwe's performance, so much so that she earned a SAFTA nomination for Best Supporting Actress in a Telenovela, with My Brother's Keeper wrapping up its final season. Mzansi is bringing in a brand new telenovela to take over its slot. Genesis is a drama that takes viewers into the dark side of the gospel music industry. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.